Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to another CFAT practice test questions with answers and problem solving. This is now video number 22 in my video series. In this video, I'm gonna solve two problems involving age. So two age problems. If you want more practice on your CFAT, I recommend armitest.com. Alright, so back to the video. Starting right away with number 1. 7 years from now, Philip will be 10 years younger than 2 times his current age. What will be his age 4 years from now? Here are your choices, and the correct answer is 21. Solution. So I'll solve this problem in 2 steps. The first step is to solve for Philip's current age. Okay, so we let x to be Philip's current age. And x plus 7 is Philip's age 7 years from now. 2x is 2 times his current age. And 2x minus 10 is 10 years younger than 2 times his current age. So all we did is we broke down into small pieces. We interpreted the given problem and converted them into expressions in small pieces. Okay, so I'll let you read that carefully, the given problem, so that you will easily understand how I came up with these expressions here. So x plus 7 is, all we did is we add 7 years from the unknown, which is Philip's current age. 2 times is pretty straightforward, 2x, and 2x minus 10. I guess this is the hardest part of the expression, is 2x minus 10 is 10 years younger. So younger means we're going back in time, so it's a minus. 10 years younger than 2 times his current age. So once we converted the expressions into little pieces, we now have to come up with this equation. So then we have x plus 7 is equal to 2x minus 10. So remember that expression, x plus 7 is equal to 2x minus 10. Because in the given problem, it says 7 years from now, so that's the x plus 7, Philip will be 10 years younger than 2 times his current age. Okay, so that sentence of the problem is converted into this following expression. X plus 7 is equal to 2x minus 10. So now that we have that equation, we will now simplify. So the minus 10, we move to the left, it becomes plus 10. The x on the left side, we move to the right side, it now becomes minus x. So then 7 plus 10 equals 17. 2x minus x equals x. So we have now x is equal to 17. This is Philip's current age. So, however, we are required to solve for Philip's age 4 years from now. So, the step 2 now is to solve for Philip's age 4 years from now. And all we have to do is to add 4 from to add 4 to Philip's current age. But we know now that Philip's current age is 17. So we have now 17 plus 4 is equal to 21, which is letter C. Okay, so I guess the hardest part is interpreting the given problem and expressing them into simple expressions to come up with the equation. So it takes a little bit of practice, but the more practice you will have, the better is your understanding, and you'll get more familiar with how to translate the expressions into little pieces so that you can put them all in one equation. Okay, so moving on to number 2. Number 2 is very similar to number 1, except in this case it starts with the past and the unknown is in the future. So we now read the problem. 3 years ago, Jade was 14 years younger than twice her age now. How old is she 7 years from now? Okay, so here are your choices, and the correct answer is 18. Solution. So again, this problem I will solve in 2 steps. Starting with step 1, we solve for Jade's current age. So we let x as Jade's current x. So now again we will interpret the expression of the given problem into simple ones. So in the problem it says 3 years ago. So then we have 3 years ago is x minus 3. Okay. Then the next expression that we will do is twice her age now. So that will be 2x, twice her age now. Because we let x as her age now, so therefore 2x is twice her age now. Then comes the hardest part of the expression. 14 years younger than twice her age now. Okay? 14 years younger than twice her age now. So we need to convert that expression into a simple one that we can understand. So then it will equate into 2x minus 14. That is the expression 14 years younger than twice her age now. Okay? Twice her age now is 2x, and 14 years younger is minus 14. Okay? And now we will arrive with this equation. X minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 14. So remember that x minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 14. So please remember, because I will go up, because we will read the problem again. 3 years ago, Jade was 14 years younger than twice her age. Okay, so that is x minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 14. Now we have that equation. We will now simplify. We move the negative 14 on the right side. We move it to the right. We have now 14. And then the x on the left, we move to the right side. It becomes minus x. So then we have 14 minus 3 is equal to 2x minus x. 14 minus 3 is 11. 2x minus x is equal to x. So now we have x is equal to 11. 11 is Jade's age now. However, we are required to solve Jade's age 7 years from now. Okay, so therefore we have a step 2 to solve for the unknown, which is to solve for Jade's age 7 years from now. So all we have to do now is to add 7 to 11. Because 11 is Jade's age now, we add 7 and we have the final answer as 18. Okay, so 18 is letter B. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video, and I wish you all the best in your CFAT exam. Remember that the more you practice, the better your chances of passing. Okay, there's an old expression, practice makes perfect. So wish you all the best in your exam. I hope you pass it with flying colors, and wish you all the best as well in your career in the Canadian Armed Forces. Okay, cheers and have a good one. Take care.